Hello geometries, our first paper folding is going to be our mid-segment, and I have my right, acute, and my obtuse triangles ready to go. Alright, the mid-segment is the segment that is joined from the midpoints of each of the sides of the triangle. So the easiest way for me to find my midpoints is to just fold each of my triangles in half, and then putting a dot at where that halfway point is. So if I fold each triangle by lining up vertices, then I can put a pinch at where that midpoint is. Then, of course, I can get my straight edge, and by connecting each of these midpoints, I can draw my three mid-segments. My three mid-segments are going to make a triangle that is congruent to each of the other three triangles. My mid-segments are parallel to my opposite side. I can see that. And they're half the distance. So there you have your mid-segments of my right triangle. I'll do the mid-segment for my acute triangle. Once I have my three midpoints, 1, 2, 3, then I can connect my mid-segments. I can connect my midpoints to draw my mid-segments. Remember, your mid-segment is going to be parallel to the opposite side and half as long. And that makes sense because I have these 1, 2, 3 congruent triangles. And it doesn't matter if I do it with a right, an acute, or an obtuse triangle. Here's my halfway point. Here's my halfway point. Here's my halfway point. When I connect the midpoints of each of the sides of a triangle, I end up with my mid-segments. And my mid-segments, remember, are what? Parallel to the opposite side and half the distance. All right, tune in for the other side lengths.